Alright guys, welcome back to that channel. It is September 14th here in Wisconsin. It's the bow opener and we are going out for the evening hunt. We sat out this morning, didn't see a deer. Tonight we're going to a different spot. We're going to be sitting over a nice food plot. We got some rape planted in there that we planted mid to late July, and it's coming in real good. It's probably 8 to 10 inches tall, and there's some does feeding on it regularly every night. So we're gonna give her a shot. It's 81 degrees right now going out, and it's 5:05. So we're getting kind of late, but I'm in no rush with this heat. The deer I probably aren't gonna be moving until later. I actually drove by the area I was hunting at around 3 p.m. and there was actually some does across the street out in the field, which I was kind of surprised. But hopefully we see some deer tonight, and maybe if we see a doe that comes in front of us, we're gonna take a shot. So stay tuned and I'll see you out in the stand. Probably 5:30 when we just got set up. Took me a little bit to get this camera arm on this big oak. I actually put it on a branch. There's no way in heck I was getting it around the base of this tree. It's absolutely massive. I struggled just putting this ladder stand up. I got this ladder stand hung up earlier this week, and the food plot's looking very nice. We made this food plot. We doubled it in size this summer, and the deer are loving it. Just a perfect setup. We got this huge oak tree, and then we got the greens, and they should be coming here. So we're gonna get settled in. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, only been sitting for probably 30 minutes, and within the 15 minutes I saw that doe way in the corner of the food plot. I just looked over and she was standing there, and then a hawk kind of swooped down as soon as I stopped recording and spooked her back in the woods, and then she came back out at 20 yards and she was quartering to me a little bit, and I put it right behind her shoulder. I should have probably put it closer to the shoulder just with her quartering too, but I think I got a good shot placement on her. I see my arrow down there, complete pass through. So we're gonna give her some time. I didn't hear her crash or anything, but that doesn't mean she didn't go down. So my arrow's right in the plot. We're gonna go take a look at it and decide from there. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, well here she is. She actually ended up going about 30 yards, and I didn't even hear her crash. At the shot of impact, there was no blood. My arrow was guts, but it obviously exited the guts, and my entry was damn near perfect. Could have been a little more closer to the shoulder, but honestly, I thought we were gonna have to back out. I thought I had all guts, and I was questioning myself, and I decided to walk ahead just to this opening and look, and I didn't even get that opening, and I looked to my left, and she was right there. So pretty excited. Got the girlfriend out here with me too, so it's extra special. This is my first deer on opening day for bow hunting in Wisconsin ever. So pretty excited. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some buck videos.